So, you've got a good couch. Maybe even a great one. You spent time picking it out, it's comfortable, it fits the room, so why does your living room still feel a little meh? You've got the main piece right, but the whole space feels uninspired, like a catalog photo someone forgot to finish. You know that feeling when you walk into a professionally styled room, and it just feels right? It's cozy, complete, and everything looks like it's there on purpose. What if I told you that getting that look isn't about buying a new sofa or dropping a ton of money? The fix is faster, way cheaper, and it all comes down to one fabric that is making a huge comeback. That's right, we're talking about corduroy. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to use it to completely transform your couch and add that missing layer of pro-level polish. This is the single fastest way to fix a boring living room, and it starts now. Why corduroy is the answer? First off, why does this even work? A living room that feels flat is almost always missing one key ingredient: texture. When everything is the same smooth finish, a leather couch, plain walls, a simple rug, your eye has nowhere to land. It all just blends together. Corduroy, with its signature ribbed pattern, is the perfect antidote. Those little ridges, called wales, do something magical. They catch the light, creating subtle highlights and shadows that add instant depth and visual interest. Unlike other materials, corduroy brings a unique mix of warmth and structure. It feels soft and inviting, but that linear pattern keeps it from looking sloppy. This makes it incredibly versatile, fitting into everything from minimalist to cozy, retro-inspired spaces. It's the perfect foundation for our 5-minute fix. The 5-minute styling formula. Ready for the formula? It's a simple 3-step process I call contrast, color, and composition. This is how you go from a pile of random pillows to a curated, intentional look. First up, contrast. The number one rule of styling with corduroy is to not go all corduroy. The magic is in the mix. To make that ribbed texture truly pop, you need to pair it with something different. Think of it like a conversation between fabrics. If your corduroy pillow is the warm, textured voice, you need a smooth, quiet one like linen or soft cotton to balance it out. If you have a leather sofa, corduroy is your new best friend. It breaks up all that smoothness and adds a much-needed layer of softness. The goal here is to create a tactile contrast that makes your couch look and feel way more dynamic. Second, color. You do not need a rainbow of pillows to make a statement. In fact, most stylists stick to a pretty disciplined palette. The easiest way to nail this is to choose 2 or 3 main colors and one accent. Your corduroy pillows can be one of those main tones. For a modern, minimalist vibe, think about neutral corduroy in shades of beige, cream, or olive green. For a cozier feel, look at earth tones like rust, caramel, or terracotta. Then, just pull the other colors from your room, a shade from your rug, your curtains, or a piece of art. Limiting the palette is what makes the whole thing feel cohesive and calm, not cluttered. Perfect placement in 60 seconds. And finally, composition. This is where it all comes together. How you arrange your pillows is just as important as which ones you choose. So, forget just tossing them on there randomly. The most timeless and balanced formula is the 2-1-2 method. Start with 2 larger, matching square pillows in the corners. These are your anchors. They can be your corduroy pillows or a contrasting texture. Next, layer 2 slightly smaller pillows right in front of them. This is a great spot to bring in a different material, like that linen or cotton we talked about. Finally, add 1 accent pillow in the dead center. A lumbar shape works perfectly here. That single pillow is your focal point. It breaks up the symmetry just enough and adds that final layer of dimension. By the way, one of the biggest mistakes people make is using pillows that are too small or underfilled. It makes the whole couch look kinda sad and deflated. Always use an insert that's about 1 to 2 inches larger than the cover to get that plush, full, designer look. So, what do you think? Is this a fix you're going to try? Let me know in the comments which texture combination you're most excited to experiment with. And if you found this helpful, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button for more simple, powerful design hacks every single week. See? Your couch wasn't the problem at all. It was just waiting for the right accessories to really make it shine. By focusing on the power of a single texture like corduroy and using a few simple styling principles, you can elevate your entire living room in less time than it takes to make coffee. You don't need a huge budget or a massive overhaul to create a space that feels cozy, curated, and totally you. All it takes is 5 minutes and the right pillows to turn that boring couch into the beautiful, comfortable centerpiece it was always meant to be.